I'm Simon Wise, I work for John Sisk and Son, and welcome to the A59 Kex Gill scheme. Welcome to the site visit. So we're currently stood on a remote section of North Yorkshire and is the realignment of the existing A59 due to collapsing of the current road. The biggest challenge, not that you'd guess it today, has been the weather. We're 300 metres up and it's either beautiful blue skies like this or raining.
We do get horizontal wet rain, high wind, fog. Sometimes we've been in the cloud and not been able to fly and trying to manage around the different weather conditions. The other challenge is how linear this site is, several miles long, having to fly it in stages. It's very different from a normal compact flight plan that we'd normally do.
And like you say there, it does take time to get out and get from one side of the site to the other and check things. So I use DroneDeploy daily. I use it for volumes, I check progress on there, I use it for logistics. Yeah, I use it for all sorts every day.
We're flying weekly maps so that the client can see update at some progression every week, because there's a lot of different activities on the site, from groundworks, tarmacking, tree planting, etc. So DroneDeploy is what sets us apart from just taking photos with a drone. It's the software that is the added value for clients other than just taking photographs. The ease of planning missions, the visibility that it offers the client in terms of the data that's captured and the frequency, it is all just fantastic. That's what sets us apart and sets this project apart.
It saves the small little visits just to go out and check a dimension or something like that, where you can literally just look on DroneDeploy and you've got your information in 20 seconds.
The technology in this space is really fast moving. It's interesting to see the direction of travel that the industry is going to. We've got one platform to rule them all.
Honestly, it's been a godsend on this scheme.